This COVID-19 pandemic will continue to influence our lives in various ways. It greatly affects the job market all over the world. Albeit that, it became an open gate for notable technological transformations in the IT field. Over time, new technologies arise that help to manage the global challenges and make our lives easier. Welcome to another interesting and fascinating discussion about the top technologies of 2022 that surely can make our lives much better. On to our number 10, robotics. Robotics is a compelling industry that builds momentum over time. In the coming years, this field will contribute a lot to our world. Among those trends that you might witness in the future are smart factories, the adoption of agile robotics, and cobots. To name a few, Boston Dynamics and Universal Robots are some companies that are actively functioning in the field of robotics. Some of the robotic skills you should possess are Python, MATLAB, mathematics, problem solving, and machine learning. The industry of robotics trends and goals in 2022 will be very interesting to witness as global robotics market was valued at $27.73 billion in 2020 and is expected to reach $74.1 billion, expanding at a CAGR of 17.45% by 2026. Down to our number 9, we have augmented reality and virtual reality. Augmented reality merges the real-world elements with virtual elements, while virtual reality creates a surrounding that is virtually displayed. The capability of AR and VR doesn't end within the entertainment industry. It is also evolving in various other sectors such as the military, medicine, education, and sports. Companies that are frequently toiling on augmented reality and virtual reality are Samsung, Qualcomm, Apple, and Microsoft. The skills that you must possess for AR and VR are programming, software development, computer vision, and 3D modeling. According to Markets and Markets, by 2022, the AR and VR market can run around $151 billion with a paramount CAGR of 70.4%. For the 8th on our list, we have big data and analytics. The gathering of data is rapidly increasing in rate around the globe. Big data and analytics permit you to process, store, analyze, and get on broad amounts of data using cutting-edge technologies. Analysts in this field can help different sectors by enhancing healthcare quality or detecting fraudery. Companies that use big data and analytics to run their business are American Express, Amazon, Netflix, and Google. Skills and technologies needed to grasp the field of big data and analytics are Hadoop, SQL, Python, Spark, and Excel. By 2025, according to the International Data Corporation, the total global quantity of data could get up to 175 zettabytes. Big data and business analytics services are estimated to generate $260 billion in sales by 2022. For our number 7, we have quantum computing. Quantum computing utilizes the properties of quantum physics to conduct calculations and simulations that are not doable on traditional machines. This field is not just about research and experimentation anymore. Instead, it's now a tool that's altering the face of numerous industries such as biology, medicine, and climate change. Remarkable names such as Microsoft, IBM, Google, and Intel are on their way to building quantum computing tools. In order to understand quantum computing, you should possess skills in programming, mechanics, mathematics, scientific computing, and algorithms. Quantum computing is set to reach an estimated amount of 64.98 billion by 2030 from just having 507.1 million in 2019. On our sixth, we have the 5G networks. Currently, we live in a world where heavy loads of data should be sent out immediately. Not only that, with an inclined rate in video conferencing, dependable connectivity and improved bandwidth are vital, and that's where the 5G network comes in, which helps improve our communications with others. By 2025, according to the GSM Association, 5G networks are going to have even more than 1.7 billion subscribers all over the world. Samsung, Ericsson, Cisco, Huawei, and Nokia networks are some of the pivotal participants in the 5G industry. The worldwide 5G service markets are expected to increase from just 53 billion US dollars to 249.2 billion US dollars. The 5G network will also promote significant advancements in IoT and virtual reality. But before we proceed, if you enjoy watching tech-related content, consider subscribing to our channel, Technology Zone. Click that notification bell icon and we assure you that you will see more interesting videos like this. Now we are down to the fifth on the list, the IoT. The Internet of Things is rapid and has become an integral part of our lives. IoT is an innovative technology acknowledged for its social and technical wonders. IoT devices have increased by almost 31 yearly, and according to reports, there will be around 30 billion IoT devices by 2022. IoT has greatly aided companies in improving customer service, streamlining operations, and increasing profits. Firms are becoming more engaged in IoT. Some of the companies involved are Maitri, GE Digital, Verizon, and IBM. Prevalent IoT skills are machine learning and AI, JavaScript, Python, Big Data, and Node.js. In 2017, according to reports, market revenue for IoT reached $100 billion and is estimated to increase to about 1.6 trillion by 2025. For the fourth technology, we have cybersecurity. There are a lot of organizations that have fallen victim to cyber attacks, including Facebook, Yahoo, and LinkedIn. The rise of the COVID-19 pandemic triggered the increase in the number of cyber attacks across the internet. That is why the field of cybersecurity holds significance in today's time. Some of the outstanding cybersecurity companies are Microsoft, Cisco, McAfee, and IBM. To be able to work in the cybersecurity field, you must attain the skills in operating systems, network virtualization, and programming. According to post-COVID-19 reports, the worldwide cybersecurity market size is growing from 217.19 billion US dollars in 2021 to 345.4 billion US dollars by 2026. On to our third one, we have blockchain. Blockchain is one of the modern technologies with a promising future. Currently, blockchain is evolving in almost every sector like banking, politics, and healthcare, which are some industries that profit from the growing decentralized digital ledger that watches and saves data in various locations, making it difficult to forge. Some companies that use blockchain are Barclays, HSBC, Walmart, and Pfizer. Blockchain developers should have knowledge about cryptography, data structures, and computer networking. By 2022, reports say that global expenses on blockchain frameworks are assumed to reach 11.7 billion US dollars. Number 2 on our list is cloud services. There's more to cloud storage than just a hefty storage fix. The year 2021 established the idea of cloud computing to be a turning point in this industry. Cloud computing, according to the IT experts, will be at the front of all technologies to aid the addressing of business issues in the coming years. Some companies that have already shifted to the cloud are Instagram, Pinterest, Netflix, and Target. To become successful in cloud computing, you should know about databases, Linux, programming, APIs, and networking. By 2022, revenue from the public cloud sector is expected to increase to 331 billion US dollars. Finally, we are up to our top technology for this discussion. We have artificial intelligence or AI. AI is restructuring business sectors and making all of our daily lives simpler by automating complicated tasks and making forthcoming predictions. AI is displaying a vital role not only in manufacturing, but also in medicine, education, and mobility. Technically, AI is everywhere. We can also find its application in robot making and chatbots. Some primary companies working on AI are Microsoft, Tesla, IBM, Google, and Facebook. The things you need to know to become an AI expert are programming, Python, machine learning, mathematics, and deep learning. According to Markets, at a CAGR of 39.7, the worldwide AI market will increase from 58.3 billion US dollars in 2021 to $309.6 billion by 2026. With so much progress in the field of artificial intelligence and firms investing billions of dollars, there's no doubt that AI is the way of the future. However, the question remains if AI is the most valuable technology that civilization has ever seen. Do you believe we overlooked any technologies to learn in 2022? Please do let us know in the comments section below and stay tuned for more striking and educational videos from us. If you find this video informative, please subscribe to the Technology Zone and visit our channel to see more videos like it.